Hello and welcome to the CompuKids site. This is the site where we are led to our learning system, which is where all our courses are. Well, CompuKids is an online technology academy which is for kids from 6 to 18. Now this is where we teach kids code, we teach kids how to develop games using Scratch, we teach them how to develop code from scratch, not with Scratch but from scratch using actual code, and this is where they are able to build mobile apps and also games which they can actually use, play and also share with their friends and family. We also teach kids basic computer skills, which is your basic Windows or desktop, your Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and the internet as well. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to click on our login, because this is where we log into our learning system where we have registered for our courses. So you click on the login button right here, and as you can see the login page, you have to insert your username and then your password, which has to be very private. Enter your password, very long password, and click login. And there you go. This is my dashboard. As you can see, my name is right there, my full name, and my profile picture, which is my favorite character at the moment, and that is Olaf from Frozen. Hopefully you guys know him. And that is the dashboard. See, on the dashboard you see my profile, and not just my profile, but you also see the courses that I have registered for, which I have game development first steps. As you can see, I have game development, I have mobile app development first steps, and I also have mobile app development. I'm still going to register for the basics, computer basics course, but for now this is what I am busy with. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on our very first lesson, which is the game development first steps. So we're just going to click on that. And there you go, it loads. The first we have is the cat and ball game. You click on this arrow right here, and it expands, and this is all our lessons within this module, as you can see. Alright, so we click on the first one, Hello Scratch, and you see the first lesson. You can see that there is a video right there, and the name of the lesson, your video that you should watch, and also what the lesson is about. Now this is your lesson, just what the lesson is basically about. This lesson will teach you how to make a sprite move. A sprite is any object on your game that moves. Learning to understand sprites and how to use them is very important concept in video game development. As you can see, we start from scratch. Yes, we use Scratch, the software, but we are also starting from scratch, meaning the very basics of game development. We will start from the very beginning, so you don't have to have any experience at all. All you need to do is be willing to learn. So now we will just increase the volume, and we can make the video full screen, and then you can just press play. And the lesson will begin. So after you have watched that the video, so that lesson is done, now you can either open Scratch, which is where you can practice what you've just learned, or you can take the quiz. So you just click on take the quiz, or open Scratch, or you could do one at a time, maybe start with open Scratch and then do the quiz afterwards. It's all up to you. but they do say practice makes perfect, so practicing is a very good skill. What is a sprite? Now, as you can see, because it's just the first lesson, we just want to know if you are actually grasping what you are learning here. So what is a sprite? Now you have to select one, as you have seen the video and you know what a sprite is already because you have learned. They also said it in the description, in the lesson description as well. So what is a sprite? Is it A, a character or object that you can use in your game? B, a block of code in your game? Or C, a soft drink? Now we do know sprite is a soft drink, but the sprite from scratch is actually a character or object that you can use in your game. So that is what we're going to select. Click on next. And as you can see, you have your answer is correct. So now you have got 100%. Awesome stuff. So you're awesome. And now you can start the next lesson. Click on the next lesson and you will move forward to the next lesson. This is where you will learn how to move your cat across the screen and back again continuously until it stops. Alright? Now, there's something else that I want you to take a look at. Now, if you go back to Game Development 1, you will see something. This is where you see your level up, your stage wherever you are. This is your level. Alright? Now, as you participate, you gain experience points, and these are your levels. Right now, I am at 848, which is not bad. I'm at that. I have those points, and I'm at level 9. Now, of course, you can beat me. Of course, some have beat me. Many have beat me. Getting more levels, and as you can see, I've been working very hard. As you can see, my points 848 out of 980. I still have a long way to go, and we also have a Minecraft modding lesson course coming up, so you can also look forward to that. So we have a lot of courses that are fun, and we just start with these for now. And yes. Now, as you can see, you can also change your profile picture if you'd like, right here on the profile, so that you can add your picture, whichever picture that you would like to add. And you will learn at the end of this course, you will be able to actually make a cat and ball game. And this right here, the project, is where you will make your own game, and you can submit it to your teacher or your mom or for your friends to see as well. And you can also just show off your levels to your friends and your parents too, so that they can see that you're getting ahead. Now that is the CompuKids learning system. Very easy and simple to use for everyone and anyone. Thank you for watching.